today's episode of Girl vs. Van, we compare real life versus van life. You decide who wins. Subscribe for Monday through Friday videos. Getting into bed and taking a nap. Real life versus van life.
I'm freaking tired. I need a nap. I'm a Crankosaurus Rex. I want to sleep. This couch is hella uncomfortable, however. Can someone please stop motion this for me, please? I don't want to do it. I'm so sleepy. I'm too sweaty to sleep.
Doing the laundry. Real life versus van life.
Find a laundromat. Sherwood Laundry? That sounds lovely. Let's do that.
Starting route to Sherwood Laundry.
How do you make her Australian? I want an Australian telling me what to do. Alright, I found a laundromat. It's cash only though. Coin operated. I'm gonna look for a different one. I already went to Target. I should have got cash back. Alright, found a place called Estrella Laundry. Spelled like Estrella. I'm assuming it's pronounced Estrella. Here's the laundry. This is my laundry bag, but it's like completely full, so. So this is all the stuff that I plan to hang and dry. Okay. My God, I think that actually worked. A lot of this is still kind of damp, so tonight I'm sleeping underneath my clothesline. Some nights I gaze at the stars, some nights I gaze at my period panties.
Dropping the brown-eyed girl off at prom. Real life versus van life.
So when I urinate in my venti Starbucks cup, I usually do it right about here. Sometimes it gets a little dripply pipply. So moral of the story, there's just a little bit of piddle in my shag carpet. I got out of my car and a family of 16 walked up to the bathrooms. Well, today's the day I almost shit in my pants. Hashtag van life. Oh God. Worst part of van. Oh, no toilet paper. Are you kidding? Shh. Where's my toilet? Girl, you don't need a toilet. You got a venti-sized coffee cup. Jeez, quit complaining.
Deforestation and clamscaping. Real life versus van life.
It's leaking. We're leaking. live with goosebumps. Do you even know? Going great. Where do I put my leg? Where do I put it? Oh, that's already razor burn. Make sure you get your kneecap. Don't skip the kneecap. They ran out of water.
An average Wednesday evening. Real life versus van life.
Time for feeling, we get to believe, so believe it.
it this far in the video, tell me whether you would prefer real life or van life. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your friends. See you tomorrow.